Bam! Back again, recording at 11:45 on finals week because we have our priorities in order. John is currently upstairs sleeping. Hopefully I don't wake him up by screaming. Sonny's over here in the corner. Sonny, how you doing?
I'm doing great, but John's actually watching The Mandalorian because he also has his priorities in order.
We're a household full of priorities. It's been a minute since you've seen us. The last video was actually the Halloween special. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We did go to SneakerCon Chicago. Went relatively well, I would say. A lot of our equipment kind of messed up. We were gonna have a live unboxing at SneakerCon with SB Mitch, shout out Mitch, but we had a little bit of an audio issue, so it would have just been the footage. Whatever, but we did a lot of fun interviews and they're all on my Instagram. Boom, boom, wherever it is on the screen, go follow me. It's also down in the description, along with all my other social links. If you wanna go check out the video that we kind of threw together. It's on IGTV on my Instagram if you wanna go check it out. Down in the description, like I said, you'll see all the social links as well as the subscribe and like button. While you're down there, hit those two. And if you wanna be friendly, hit that little bell so you know when we upload. Maybe we got a little bit of a graphic that just popped up with the little bell ringing or not, and that's all, I'm just talking to myself. While you're there as well, you'll see SwazyToPlug.com, my website. All the shoes we're about to unbox in this box, we'll get to the box in a second, will be on that site, as well as some of this merch on the site. It's called SDP Designer Logo. Who knows what these colors could be? Not me, not I.
I like to think it's up to your own interpretation.
Yeah, I mean, look at us, right? Who would have thought? Who would have thunk, right? Who would have thought? Anyways, merch down below. I'm actually wearing some of it. That's kind of cool. More designs coming. I say it every time, more designs coming. There's already on the site. Blah, 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 blah. Anyways, we'll get into it. Right now, we've got a $675 box from Soul Supremacy in the Bay Area. If you watch me, I'm sure you watch the other guys, so you know who Soul Supremacy is. If you don't, sneaker shop, Bay Area, sell beater boxes, part of a membership, blah, 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 blah. $675, $715 after the $40 shipping. Been a minute since we've opened one of these. I'm looking forward to it. Let's just hop right into it. Oh, I almost dropped it, but it's okay. We're good. Got the, what is this called again?
Karambit.
Got my karambit, got my nut button, got my boy. Let's go.
Nice.
All right, got the first impressions, $675, $715 box. Hup, hup, hup. I see one. All right, I think there's only one pair of loose shoes in here. Could be totally wrong, we'll see. It might be buried under some more things, but right now I only see one pair of loose shoes. We'll get the loose pair out first here. Ah, got it. Whew, this is a big f***ing shoe. Wow, all right, so we've got the Gamma 11s, worn, clearly. Another one out here. Wow, what do you think the size is on these bastards?
This is
like a
14 and a half.
14 and a half, God, that'd be a unicorn of a size. All right, you guys out here will understand. Finding the tag on 11s is the most annoying thing. All right, final verdict. These are a size, holy shit. These are a size 15. I got long arms, dog.
Wow.
All right, lucky sevens. You know, I'm gonna grab this box. I kind of saw the size on it already. Not a huge fan of it, but it's okay. We've got a size 13 Air Jordan 1. Let's see what we got here. This is it's part of the city pack. I think these are the LA. Yep, okay, yep, got it. The LA Jordan 1s. These I remember when these were going high, like crazy prices. Maybe I'm completely wrong. Worn. Okay, yeah, these are worn, but not very much. Give you guys a quick look at the bottoms here.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty dope. It says Los Angeles on the bottom, as you can see here. Not very yellowed, which is good. You know, it's a clear sole, so sometimes you can run into the issue of the clear soles yellowing. What'd you call it? The street map of Los Angeles, kind of.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's not the entire map, but cool. Yeah, these things are barely worn. Box is a little messed up, but that's all right. You don't wear the box. I'm hoping, I don't want to sound mean because like I've said before, Sonny and I both wear a size 13, but I'm hoping the size 13 and the size 15 aren't hinting at something, hinting at an all Bigfoot box. Next up, we've got a Kobe that looks to have had some coffee spilled on it. Oh yeah, kind of in the corner a little bit too. So,
yeah.
Yep, so these actually spilled on by Kobe. Kobe 10 Elite Low, size 14. Loving it, loving life. Oh, okay, actually these go for a lot. All right, I'm not too upset. These are the Kobe 10 Elite Low. I wanna say kind of like, I think it's like breast cancer. Something to do with breast cancer. I don't know the exact name. And if I'm totally wrong and they have nothing to do with breast cancer, first off, I'll be surprised because it's pink. And two, I apologize. All right, so we're gonna go with dead stock, and I say that for a few reasons. We looked inside, not a lot of sock lint. I think the only place I was kind of getting like questionable was the bottoms, but these were made in 2015. So, I mean, just kind of sit in the box, and you know, we're just gonna kind of gloss over the coffee stain on the box. Yeah, I think these are dead stock. So we've got the size 14, size 13, okay, so we've got size 15, 14, 13. Maybe we can go 12, 11, 10, 9, you know, that'd be great.
Also, do other beater box members also end up with the big sizes? Because I swear, Swazy,
oh, yeah.
Every other box we get is 13s and 14s.
I know Mitch, I keep saying Mitch, but he's the boy. I've seen Mitch get a lot of big sizes. Him and T actually.
Yeah.
T got a lot. I remember T got like, I think he got some 16s at one point. Like, this is not a big size. I only say that because the box is tiny. So we've got an SB box, size 11.5, so we're good there. Nike SB Satire 2. Not sure. Oh, replacement box, okay. So we've got some KDs, I think these are the Ant Pearls. Size 10. A little bit of wear on them, clearly. Yeah, I'm not sure this model. I know it's not the Kobe, I know it's not the KD4. I'm gonna look like an idiot not knowing the model, but it's all right. We got a size 10 worn pair of, I think, the Ant Pearl KDs. Who knows the model on them? Yeah, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on those. They might be worth a lot, and I'm just kind of skimming past them, but you know I'm gonna take a shot in the dark here and say they're not. So next up, we've got a red box. We've got a Air Max Penny. No problem with that, just because I've had sold pennies before. Also, another damaged box. Looks like someone's dog or rabid child took a bite out of this one. So there's that. Size 13 Air Penny. Don't know, but they're dead stock. So I'll take it. I assume they're dead stock. Yeah. Size 13, damaged box, dead stock, cool. You know, if they give me weird big sizes and weird shoes, but they're dead stock, I will take it.
It's the weirdest would you rather.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, honestly, Soul, if you're watching this, if they're dead stock, I'll take most shoes. So if you give me value, I don't care, because dead stock moves easier than worn, because, you know, who would have guessed that? Also, for the people that watch these that don't know what dead stock means brand new. All right, Sonny, what do you think? I know what one of them is, for sure, just because of what the box is.
Yeah.
I've got an unknown orange box and then a white Jordan box. What do you think? Should I go with the one we...
Maybe with the unknown orange box. That's peaking my...
Rolling the dice here, huh? All right, so we've got a size 13 Kobe Zoom, or Zoom Kobe 5. Let's see, shall we? We've got some red Kobe 5s. I think these are the All-Stars. We've got, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Okay, yeah, definitely the All-Stars. You can see the West.
Yeah.
So these are the Kobe 5 All-Stars, size 13. These are pretty cool. I think I think these are like the 2010, 2009. Oh, yeah, 2009. We got September 9th, 2009, so 999. Extra laces, extra red laces, not the black laces. No receipt, because, you know, I'm the only one that cares about receipts, it seems. Not dead stock, which is fine. Yeah, definitely not dead stock. 2 pairs of dead stock shoes, 3 pairs of worn, or I guess 4 pairs of worn shoes now. 2 boxes left. I don't really know how I feel about this box right now. I know what this is, and depending on the condition of it, might be the money shoe. I'm not quite sure. And then I have this box. I don't know this box, so I'm gonna get this out first. So we've got a, we've got a women's Air Jordan 4 Retro NRG size 7. Now, if this was a men's size 7, that would be great, but it's a women's size 7. Oh, okay, so this is nothing crazy. All right.
That's a filler shit.
Yeah, this is, all right. Well, I don't even know how much this goes for. Ooh, but it's seen some better days. There's some mud on the bottom. I don't even know what these things are called, if I'm honest with you. They're just very bright.
The candy paint.
Yeah, these things are straight up Candyland. So yeah, these are something. These are bright. Oh, dude, they're like.
They're so bright.
I'm not gonna downsell them because I hope you buy them. But size 7. This is a women's shoe. That's kind of what I'm getting at here. If you might f with this color. I mean, if this was big enough, low key you might f with it just for the sake of the memes. A 6'10" guy walking around on these. All right, so we got the last box here. The size is gonna kind of, okay. All right, so most people know what this shoe is because of the box. Like I said, if, wait. This is a size 10 Air Jordan 11 Retro. Like I said, if you know the box, you know what it is. I'm assuming, unless this is a replacement box, which would be an awful cock tease. These are the cool gray 11s. Oh, if I can get them out. Hello, this box is f***ed. Hello, what the f is going on here? Hello, what the shit is happening? What is this shit? Hello? All right. Okay, so size 10, cool gray 11s. Jesus Christ, these things have seen better days. Wow. And this is the money shoe? Money shoe? Man, maybe there's some hidden value here. This is $6.15 or $6.75.
Yeah, this is $6.75.
So this is $7.15. Man, maybe there's some hidden value here. I don't know. Yeah. Cool gray 11s. Damaged box. Extremely damaged. Size 10. I mean, the size is good, but everything else about this shoe is bad.
Oh,
he's bad. All right, well, we'll get everything kind of set up here. I learned that these are a size 14, not a size 13, so there's that. But $7.15 box, huh? This is kind of what we're working with right now. I don't really know where the big value is. I'm assuming these are gonna hold a little bit of value since they're dead stock and they're a pretty hype colorway if I remember correctly. But they're a size 14. These are also dead stock, but they're a size 13. And you know, there's these that I don't know how. I think these are probably gonna go for $250 or something like that, probably less. These are a size 14 now. These are a size fucking 15, size women's 7, and then an absolutely cooked pair of cool gray 11s in a size 10.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put the ranges of what each one of these shoes goes for, and you can go down below in the comments and kind of leave your guess on what you think will make profit. Shout out to my boy Ibram for guessing correctly on the Halloween special box. He made the guess of 666, and I don't know if that's necessarily the closest, but that's the lowest estimate that people commented. And I'm gonna be honest, that box did not have $750 worth of profit in it. So yeah, 666 wins solely because that was the lowest estimate we got on the Halloween box. This, you know, this works really well as being a, this is a finals week beater box because the shoes we got are underwhelming. My grades will be underwhelming. I have stress acne and we're all just struggling together. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. I don't know if we have an end slate or if everything's gonna be on screen. So if it is on screen, there will have been 2 videos on both sides of me now, and my face is a sub button. If we have an end slate, you're just looking at me moving my hands for no reasons. All right, appreciate you guys. Deuces.